Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ibasya. Now I will explain about the journal. The title is Debate Interaction in EFL Classroom, Impact on the Critical Thinking and Speaking Skill. The research was aimed to find out whether or not using debate significantly improve the student critical thinking and speaking skill achievement, and how much debate contribute to each aspect of critical thinking and speaking skill. Introduction. English is considered as a dominant and acceptable tool for global communication. The language is utilized to various degrees by people from all over the world. On a small scale, people who speak different mother tongues verbalize English for different aims. For instance, to have an access to advanced academic publication, to study abroad, and to make their career opportunities better. English, both the language itself, linguistic competence, and how to practice oral and written communication, linguistic performance. In addition, the focus of English language teaching in senior high school based on English school-based curriculum is as follows. Firstly, this core ability is student competent to understand and produce oral and written text in relation to four language comprehend and produce various short, functional and monologue texts and essay texts such as produce descriptive, recount, and narrative. The teaching of speaking skill has become increasingly important in English as a second or foreign language (ESL or EFL) context. Also reveal that debate is a method of language learning which is applied to improve speaking ability as well as critical thinking. Research problem. Dealing with the above-mentioned lacunae about the research, formulate the research question as follows. 1. Did using debate give a significant improve on the student critical thinking and speaking skill? Research objectives. Based on the research problem above, the research attempt to 1. Find out whether or not using debate gives a significant improvement on the student critical thinking and speaking skill. Next, literature review. Critical thinking. The concept of critical thinking has been refined and enriched since appearance 2,500 years ago by looking through literature. Various definitions were found to help one understand the nature of critical thinking. In the phase of problem definition, the students should define the problem of the debate motion word by word, and as a whole in order that the debate process will not be out of track. In the phase of hypothesis generation, the students should yield the ideas or explanation and provide some solution on the basis of the fact or evidence to support the argument. Terms critical thinking as the ability to gain knowledge through the exploration of ideas concerning the following 6 levels. 1. Knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Knowledge and comprehension belong to the low level of thinking skill, while the other elements belong to the higher level of thinking skill. Speaking is speech or utterance with the purpose of having intention to the recognized by speaker and the receiver processes the statement in order to recognize their intention. Furthermore, the success in communication is often depending as much on the listeners as on the speaker. Next, debate is definitely one of the most exciting and valuable experiences for the high school or college student. Those who learn to debate will learn how to research and gather a significant question in depth. They also learn how to organize, research on argument into a meaningful and persuasive presentation. In addition, the debater learns to defend his or her presentation against the attack of the opponent through critical thinking and listening. Next, World School Debate Championship rules. The Indonesian School Debating Championship used the World School format. This format were as follows. 1. There are 2 teams debating. It consists of 3 debaters who would be first, second, and third speaker of the learn. Method. In this research, the quasi-experimental design was used and it was chiefly focused on the non-equivalent groups, pre-test, post-test, control group design. 2 groups were required in this method that are actually experimental and control group. In the experimental group, the research gave a pre-test treatment by using World School Debating Championship and then post-test. Population and sample. The research was conducted in the Islamic Senior High School. Main 3 Palembang. The population of the research was the 10th grade student of the Islamic Senior High School. In the academic year of 2030 and 2040, 48 students were selected possibly as the research sample, in which each group consists of 24 students. Instrumentation. In collecting the data, the test was used to measure the student critical thinking and speaking skill. Pertaining to the test given, the students were asked to choose one of the speaking topic provided in the form of monologue. To assess the student speaking achievement, the research used solemn student oral language observation metric, which consisting of the aspect of speaking ability such as comprehension, vocabulary, and etc. Next, data analysis. The data analysis was taken from the test to interpret the student score individually. The rank of critical thinking was as follows: excellent 19 of 24, good 30 and 80, average 7 of 20, and 4 7. Meanwhile, the rank of speaking skill was as follows: excellent 21 of 25, good 16 of 20, and etc. Next, findings. Descriptive statistic. This section discusses the descriptive statistic, the progress analysis, paired sample, the test, the mean difference analysis, independent sample test, and the percent analysis of its aspects, contribution, stepwise regression analysis. In Table 2, the results show there was a significant difference in student critical thinking and speaking skill. Next, discussion. Pertaining to the result of findings, there were some aspects in the aspect of critical thinking achievement were influenced by debates such as context, issue, implication, and assumption. The correlation between debate and critical thinking was very strong, and the aspect that was most influenced by debates was context. Finally, conclusion. Based on the result and discussion, there are 3 conclusions could be drawn. First, it could be concluded the debate, particularly World School Debate Championships, significantly improved the student critical thinking and speaking skill. It was found out that the student in experimental group got higher critical thinking and speaking skill achievement than those in control group after the debate strategy was applied as the treatment. Second, there was a significant mean difference in critical thinking and speaking between the students who were taught using the device and those who were not. Third, there was a significant correlation among total gain score of critical thinking and speaking skill. An aspect of each of these variables and also the contribution of the batch was high to critical thinking and speaking skill achievement. Okay guys, thanks for watching.